Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create viral video script using Pictory AI. So here is a step-by-step guide to create it. So number one is that you will just understand your audience, define your niche and target audience, research trending topics in your niche. You will just using tools like ChatGPT, which is the best script generator. So I will just give them a command like generate a script on two friends live in a village. So it will provide me this. Now I will just simply just tab on it, Pictory AI. The option is text to video. So I will just tab on it and I will just paste it here, the short script. So you will just also give them name, and I will just tap to proceed, and let's see. So please wait while the video storyboard is being created. So basically the wait is over. So the script is ready into stunning video. So from here you will just choose the scenes from here. So if I just select it from like scene 6, so if I just play for preview scenes, so I will just tap on it and let's see. So it will preparing scene preview which I selected.
Others, villagers, shopkeepers, and the village headman.
So basically you will just also find the images or extra template videos, and if you just simply type old village, so wait for the moment of search, so like this. So if I just tab on it, but this is in paid subscription, you will just find it the free of version like this. So in this way you will just create viral video scripts using Pictory AI. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.